In this video, we're going to go over some of the common types of organic reactions that occur. So this is really similar to inorganic types of reactions where you have things like single displacement, double displacement, synthesis, decomposition, and combustion. We have types of organic reactions that can be classified in sort of similar ways, but we have different names for them. So let's run through some of the common ones that we have. The first one's combustion, and this is the same as what we've seen in past courses and when we've talked about combustion reactions, although you can have either complete or incomplete combustion. So complete combustion results in CO2 and water, whereas incomplete combustion results in either carbon monoxide, carbon, and water. So depending on which type you have slightly different products. The next type, substitution, is where you have one atom or a group of atoms that takes the place of another atom or group of atoms. So kind of like a single displacement reaction, but we call it a substitution reaction in organic chemistry. So one group is replacing another group. There are three kind of types, free radical, nucleophilic, and electrophilic, and we're going to define what all those terms mean in a different video. Just worthwhile noting that there are a few different ways that substitution reactions happen. And these three terms are just really the mechanism by which these reactions happen. So these are different mechanisms. And we'll look at some of those mechanisms in other videos. The next type, addition, is in an addition reaction, the components or molecules from one or two different things are added to carbon-carbon multiple bonds. So you might have something that has a carbon-carbon bond and something will add at each carbon. And what results is that that carbon-carbon bond breaks. There's only one sort of mechanism that happens on, and that is the electrophilic type of mechanism. Again, we'll look at that in a different video. Just for now, this is just kind of talking about some of the different types of reactions. The next type, elimination. This is basically the opposite of addition. So instead of adding something across a double bond, we're taking something away across a bond, and it results in a double bond. So we're going from something that's single bonded, and we'll produce something that's double bonded, plus whatever we're taking away. So essentially the opposite of what an addition reaction is. The next two kind of go hand in hand, oxidation and reduction. They involve redox reactions. So we won't get into that in too much detail here. We'll see some different examples, but oxidation's obviously going to result in the oxidation of organic compounds, and reduction will result in the reduction of those organic compounds. The last type, condensation. That is where two molecules will join together. So you might have A and B. They're going to join together to form a new compound, and then the other product will be water. So it's called condensation because we are removing water from partly from one of the compound and partly from the other compound. And when we do that, they combine together to form a bond and create this new compound. So those are the major types of organic reactions. In separate videos, we're going to take a look at each of these sort of types of reactions in a lot more detail. But that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.